It's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today we're going to be learning how to draw, or create, should I say, a background, a stylized background. As you can see, I've done this in the past several times, and I want to bring it up from time to time so that you too can be creative. So when you're doing this lesson, make sure you use your creative techniques and style to create these little structures of a rock. You don't have to copy it at 100%. That's okay. But I want you to be creative. And how do you come up with ideas like this? Look on the internet and look for the mountains and the shapes of them and just change them into your style. That's the biggest clue I want to give to you and challenge you with that at the same time. So if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.